Hi everyone, this is Mursali Nisar and today I am going to walk you through how to integrate Cloudflare R2 storage inside your Node.js Express application. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So I have a bare minimum Express application setup here. I have set up two routes. One is slash and another is slash upload. So it's using Multer for file uploads. Currently this route is simply printing the file on console, but we will integrate so that the files will be saved on our Cloudflare R2 storage. First of all, go to the Cloudflare dashboard and here in the sidebar go to storage and databases. First is R2 object storage and then overview. First time you have to add a credit card or your debit card for the billing. No worries, this is free of cost, but if you will exceed the free tier, then you will be charged from the debit card. Then you will see here a blank screen. First of all, you have to create a bucket here. So I will give a bucket name and then I will set the location to automatic and I will set this to standard by default and then create bucket. Storage bucket has been created. Make sure to enable this public access, otherwise we cannot access the objects of this bucket publicly. So I will go to the settings and here if we are using this for production, then we have to add the custom domain in order to enable the public access, or if we are in development, then we can simply enable this one, public development URL. And then if I will go to objects, then you can see here it's enabled now. Then I will guide you through the docs. If you are watching this video after some major versions of the Cloudflare R2, you can simply visit the docs and you can watch these steps. Then this is showing us which method we are going to use. So workers API is for serverless functions, and we are going to use S3 because we are using the Express server architecture. Then we will use this S3. First of all, we have to generate the API credentials. To generate the credentials, go to your Cloudflare dashboard and then go to overview. From here you can see the API tokens. Go to manage and in account API tokens you can create a new token, and then here are the permissions. If you want to select all of the permissions, then I will select this, create account API token. So here you will get the tokens. Make sure to secure them inside the .env. So I will go to the .env. I will add the tokens here. Also, we will add the Cloudflare bucket name here. After adding all of these environment variables, we will again go to the documentation. We have already done these steps. Then it's saying to install the SDK. So I'll copy this npm add this. So after adding this, I'll copy this code. And here I will create a new file called r2 storage.js. So I will paste this code, and this is simply like we are importing S3 client, put object command, get object command, list objects v2 command from AWS SDK client S3. We are making an S3 client, so region is auto, and in endpoint we will add it via the environment variable. Then credentials. So we will create a function for uploading the file. So I will create a new function. I will export this const upload file. We will accept the file in this function. I will erase this. We will do this await s3 dot send new put object command, and in this so we'll pass an object. So first is bucket. In bucket we have to pass the name of the bucket, and then we have to pass a key. We'll get another parameter here. This will be key. So in key we will pass the key, and then we have to enter body. So body will be the actual content of the file. So this will not be the file here, this will be file buffer. So we have to pass the file buffer here in the body. This is the whole function of uploading the file. After uploading the file, I will console log this. So for now I will cut these things because this is the similar thing as we did the upload file. After that I will go to index.js, and here I will import this function here, await upload file, and we have to pass two things here in this. So first will be the request.file.buffer, and second one will be a unique name. For now I will pass the original name, so we can construct a unique name here because this key should be unique. After this I will test if it's working or not. So I will start the server. This is post, this is get request slash. So this is working. Now we will test the slash upload. If I will send, this is showing file is required, and then I will go to the body. I will pass the forum data here, and the key will be this file. So this will be the key, and here it will be a file. I will select the file from local machine. I will send the request. So yeah, this is showing success true message file received. If I will check my object storage, this image has been uploaded here. This is the public URL of this. I hope you have understood this very well, and now you can integrate this by yourself. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.